What's up guys, in this video I will show you how to convert this CCTV camera from a wide angle view to a narrow angle zoom view. And for that we need a screwdriver and a replacement lens with a large focal length. For example, this lens that I'm holding in my hand has 16mm focal length. The rule is as follows: the shorter the focal length, the wider the angle of view, and this is good if you need to cover a wide open area. And the longer the focal length, the smaller the angle and the larger the subject appears to be. And this is ideal if you need to capture a specific area like a door or a window or a gate and don't care about the surrounding. For example, in my situation, I need to capture this area only and I don't care about the rest of the area because it's already been covered by other cameras. And for that I bought this lens, which I hope it will fit here. So let's start by taking the screws out. This screwdriver is too big and I knew it. That's why I bought this. Okay, here we are. This is a silica gel to remove any moisture inside. This is the seal to keep it sealed and no rain goes in. And this lens that we need to replace. This lens, as you can see, it's 3.6mm. And here it says 3 megapixel. So I need to put this, and you can see the difference. Of course it depends on your camera. Some cameras has bigger lenses like this one. This one is similar to this one. Also, some cameras you don't need a screwdriver because they are easy to open. Just twist them like this. But in our situation, that's what we need to deal with. Let's remove the IR LEDs. Oh, it's been glued. That's not good at all. Come on. Yeah, it's the same lens. That's exactly what I need, but they glued it, so this is a failure. Anyways, this one is not glued, so it's easier to just remove the existing lens and screw in the new one. And now this camera is zoomed and narrow angle view. So this is glued, which means I cannot use it. Too bad, so I will use other one, but this one is low resolution, 600 TV line, while this one is 2500 or something TVL, 2000 probably, if that's true, but it's HD. Anyways, well, since I cannot replace the lens, I will buy the whole assembly and replace the whole thing. So I need to order this and wait for it to come and be back to finish this video. Okay, I'm back. Before I do this one, let's try it with this low resolution one. It's not glued, and that's good. Okay, good, let's test it. Okay, I installed the lens and I installed the camera, and this is it. Zoom. Of course the camera is low resolution, that's why it's a little blurry, and that's the original lens. As you can see, it's wide angle and it records a wide angle view, and I needed just this area, so this is the new lens. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.